Okay, today I'm going to show you guys how to put a door in a storefront. The first thing we're going to do is create a wall, just a random wall, and then change it to storefront. And we can go to 3D and see what it looks like. So this is what a storefront looks like. Normally, if we want to insert a door or upload a door, we just go to architecture and go to door, but a storefront door is not that kind of a door. You cannot simply just go to architecture and upload a commercial or residential door. It's actually a storefront door. It's actually replacing a glass panel versus just simply uploading a door. So the first thing we're gonna do is click this bottom mullion and then make sure to unpin it so you can delete it. And then select the glass panel. You might need to press the tab key for a few times to select the glass panel. After that, it's the same thing as we did to the mullion, just unpin it. So you can go to edit type and load, go to load. So it's just, this part is like how we upload a door for a normal wall. So you can just go to doors and then choose any of the door here. So for example, I'm just going to choose the single glass and click OK. Okay, so let's go to here, and you can see we successfully replaced the glass panel to a glass door. And then you can just change the direction or the swing of it as you like. And this for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching.